Hi! In front of me is TCL 206 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon and click on it. After that, choose Close in the pop-up and go back into Tab menu. As you can see, location is now off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well, look for location section over here, click on it and manage the location by clicking on the switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!